Hey folks, AJ the CEO here, and we are back here at Signs and Wonders. I mean, hey, a lot of stuff is changing because we're hitting the home stretch here. So very, very nice, as you can see. But let me take you on a tour of what we got so far. So, waiting for the electrician to put a different outlet close to the TV up here. Drums and everything that's going to be placed over here once all of that is done. We got our digital wall, we have our screens, we got everything configured so far. Waiting for the old TV to be placed on that's going to be out here. The band is going to be set up over here. Also waiting for the personal mixers. Electrical is going to be placed up here, so the TVs will be powered up there as well as the speakers, so we're not dangling this down here. I ordered a mat that's going to hide these cables. I might see if I can come up under this wedge, and so it'll be a short run, and then everything else will be right up under here. The same way on that other side. Put a conduit for the cables there. I may need to, just because of the placement of where we have the audio and everything, which we have finished here, because of where we place this, I need to figure out what I'm going to do with connecting the mics here, because I want to keep them here. So worst case scenario, I'm gonna maybe do a 8-channel to Ethercon connection and run it up, over and up that way to get it connected, up and out of the way, because I don't want nothing on the floor here, but probably gonna run that up and run the conduit straight up, or maybe just another conduit straight up this way. The other thing I was thinking about is just getting 8 50-foot XLR cables, run a new hole, another conduit, run them straight up and drop them down here, because there's more than enough space to get them down here through this wide conduit here, and they'll plug directly in, because I want to free this up for all of the musicians and everything like that. That's just going to be straight over there, so that's nothing that needs to be worried about. And because this is configured all for their instruments and everything, and then the other shelf up under there is going to be for the P16 module that's going to send them, that they connect everything to for their personal mixers. But we got sound, we got everything like that, and I left this on, didn't mean to do that. I had just finished doing a video on the kind of like a quick run through of the digital wall. Got a separate mix, obviously for the live stream. That's what's coming in over here. A mix bus. So we have the pulpit speakers, we have our live stream. I don't know what's picking that up. What is going on with those channels? Something is in it, unless it's my computer. I don't think so. Must have been. Oh well. So we got that, and we're going to be tweaking this a lot more. But got a connection for a phone if anybody wants to connect. And like I said, I got some space in this one as well too, if I want to run it down this way up and just drop it down. This honestly might be the easier way to do it, because I don't have to make new holes, and we can just drop all those XLR cables down here. Yeah, I think I will do that. But that's how we'll connect the mics to this whole system. So really excited about everything. We got our switches and everything set up here. I actually put in a smart switch right there that will power all of this on as well too. So that's actually not going to be used. This will kill everything. And then this is going to be a learning thing. We might separate it. The TVs will always be on, but the system will be off, and be powered this way, as well as the camera. So I might need to do the sound system and then the camera separate, but we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. All we got to do is get another switch, which I actually have another one like that, and then just build it in this little rig. But most likely I flipped it around so that this will be mounted right here, and labeled appropriately, so that people will come in and know which one to hit to turn everything on and off. So yay, yay, and yay. Yeah, really excited. I mean, so really not much else to talk about except for stuff not connected. Oh yeah, this Ethercon is not connected. I was getting ready to play around with the mics, but yeah, really not that much else to do right now until the instruments are in. And again, I'll be back here maybe Sunday afternoon to do that, because I'm supposed to be going down to South Carolina for some stuff to help out with install basic stuff, 2 cameras, an ATEM, and a custom PC that I built for them for Propresenter and stuff like that. So just a few more things to do. I might actually, I don't know if y'all remember, I did a video with the Bose headsets. I may actually bring one of those over here, and that will be the headset for the talkback here. Might think about that, I don't know, or we just get a regular mic and have it here. But we will have a talkback set up for the musicians so they can talk amongst themselves and hear in ears and all that other good stuff. So let me know down below if you have any other questions. Like I said, the good thing is everything on the other side of the building is all done. Well, let's take you over there just to make sure, because again, we should be seeing what's on this TV is what we should see everywhere else. So let's go do that. Go to pastor's office first. And I think I'm probably actually going to move this to over here. Trying to think. I really don't want to climb in here right now, but I think that's probably going to be the easiest thing for me to do right now. But anyway, that's not what I was here for. We're here to test everything that comes through the system. And I will move that. Oh, there we go. And boom. There we go. So that's what shows up here and everywhere else. I need to change that because that G is getting cut off. I need to expand the size of that lower third. But really excited because I mean, if this comes in through here, it's gonna come in through everywhere else. But we will check everywhere else. They're putting all the furniture together, finishing up the bathrooms here. Very, very nice. There. Conference room. There. Finishing up furniture. Ladies' restroom. Classrooms here. Other one here with the TV here. Jack and Jill bathroom. Ramon and his team did an excellent job on the countertops and stuff like that with some epoxy. New toilets, all that other good stuff. Filling out the sinks and everything like that. Chalkboard right there. Our networking stuff, I need to come in and I don't know why they tied the stuff the way they did, but I'm most likely gonna disconnect all this and run it in the corner over there. But other TV, as well too, should be a quick power up. I should have turned the other TV on too, because I need to make sure I've assigned all the IP addresses for the TVs, because I like stuff being in a certain type of order. That way I know everything is grouped in a certain way. So, and somebody had messed with my remotes. I think somebody left something on, like a button press, and it drained the battery on 2 of the remotes. So, and by the time that cuts on, it should be done by the time I turn on this last one. Here. I don't know what they did with the remote for the front TV for the digital signage. That's around here somewhere. I might have to just get another one, or I can control it through the Google TV remote app. Either one of them will work. All right, so boom, it's that one. Number 2. Wi-Fi is obviously working, got some people on it, no complaints. And number 3. So again, super thankful for this opportunity. Oh, take you on the kitchen as well too. They're gonna put an electrical outlet back there. So once that's done, then that will be on. But they got a lot of great stuff in here. I think they had to send back the refrigerator, but great job that they've done with all the stuff in here. So we're coming close to the wire. First service here is gonna be in Mother's Day. So I might even bring my mom down here, see what's going on, see what her boys are down here doing. So anyway, folks, let me know if you have any other questions, any other detailed stuff you want me to break down. I will be doing another video once we get this instruments here, and I pretty much was telling the musicians and Pastor Taylor and everybody, this is gonna be a learning experience, because we're gonna be customizing this for all the people that are gonna be here. You got all these bodies absorbing sound, furniture absorbing sound, and we're looking at also doing a drum cage to isolate the sound for that as well. So it's a lot of work, but I'm really excited about it, to seeing what we're going to be doing here at Signs and Wonders. So if you like this type of content, appreciate a like, consider subscribing, hit that bell. That way you get notified when we come out with other videos to help modernize your media ministry. Thanks for watching, folks. AJ, and we will catch you on the next video. Later.